Bitcoin trades above $26,500, Ether sinks below $1,600. RBI launches wholesale CBDC pilot in call money market. Star Arena recovers 90% of funds lost in security exploit. Coinbase spot trading volume drops by over 52% in Q3 2023. Hamas has raised millions in crypto donations, WSJ reports. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Leading virtual digital assets continue to trend lower as bearish narrative prompted investors to liquidate their positions. Bitcoin traded below the $27,000 crucial support level. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2% at 33,960 points. According to data provider CC Data, Coinbase witnessed a 52% drop in its spot trading volume in Q3 2023 as compared to its quarterly record for Q3 2022. Despite the recent drop, it was observed that Coinbase increased its market share in the previous quarter. Meanwhile, the weak price action of crypto occurred as traditional markets continued to post gains. In economic news, the US Producer Price Index or PPI for September came in a bit stronger than expectations. The minutes from the most recent meeting of the Fed's Federal Open Market Committee showed most expect one more rate hike before the monetary tightening cycle is complete. According to data analytics firm Sentiment, the top 10 non-exchange wallets and top 10 exchange addresses for Ethereum are both increasing in number. Nearly 8.51% of the total supply of Ethereum, which has a market value just above $1,570, is held on exchanges. Moving on, crypto derivatives traders who bet on higher prices with long positions suffered $50 million in liquidations during the day. In an interesting piece of news, Bitcoin witnessed $43 million worth of inflows, while Solana saw the second largest inflows with $23.9 million, its largest week of inflows since March 2022. The weak price action of crypto occurred as traditional markets continued to post gains, while the 10-year US Treasury came off their recent highs. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.04 trillion mark, decreasing 1.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by around 5% to $25.2 billion. Interestingly, the price of XRP has significantly decreased following the transfer of 55 million tokens to the Bitso and Bitstamp exchanges. Elsewhere, the large-cap cryptos, the Ripple Labs-related Litecoin and Polkadot's native token fell 2% to 3%. New research by Marketplace Fairness confirms Shiba Inu is the fourth most popular cryptocurrency among researchers, surpassing mainstream assets like Cardano, Litecoin, Tether, and Solana. Additionally, the Shiba Inu ecosystem excels in strong community and sustained user interest. US stock futures traded higher as investors focused on new consumer inflation data for greater insight on the economy. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 105 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.4% each. Bitcoin was trading at $26,750, down by 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,550. BNB was down by 1.8% to trade at $204. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down by 4.5% and was trading at $21.3. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.4% to trade at $0.24. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9, lower by 4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.2% to trade at $0.50. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.057. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 2%. Polkadot was down by 3% to trade at $3.6.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The Reserve Bank of India has begun testing its central bank digital currency in the call money market. The call money market is a platform where banks can lend and borrow short-term funds, usually for 1 day, at market-determined rates. 9 banks taking part in this pilot were also part of the wholesale pilot of government securities launched on November 1, 2022 to settle secondary market transactions in government securities. The banks taking part in the wholesale CBDC pilot include Union Bank of India, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Bank of Baroda. The retail version of the CBDC pilot was launched on December 1, 2022. Stars Arena has recovered 90% of funds lost in a security exploit following successful negotiations with the hacker responsible. The attack resulted in funds locked in its smart contract being lost, estimated at 266,104 AVAX coins or $2.9 million at the time. The hacker returned 239,493 AVAX in 2 transactions in return for a bounty of 27,610 AVAX. Stars Arena, a forked iteration of FriendTech, is an application that facilitates purchases or sales of influencer profile tokens, granting access to an individual's chat room. Coinbase has seen a 52% drop in its spot trading volume for Q3 2023 compared to its quarterly record for Q3 2022, according to data provider CC Data. The $76 billion of registered trading volume is the lowest registered by Coinbase since before it was listed on the Nasdaq stock market last year. Despite the decline, it was noted that Coinbase gained market share last quarter as competitor exchange Binance came under regulatory scrutiny. While some exchanges saw decline in website traffic, HTX, Gate.io, CoinW, XT.com and Bitmart saw notable increases in traffic YTD. The Hamas and its affiliates have received millions in cryptocurrency donations, according to a report by the Wall Street Journal based on data from forensics firm Elliptic and Tel Aviv software company BitOK. Palestinian Islamic Jihad received $93 million in crypto between August 2021 and June 2023, Elliptic said. Hamas received about $41 million in the same time frame, the report read. Still, crypto is not the main source of money from Hamas and affiliated groups such as Palestinian Islamic Jihad and Hezbollah based in Lebanon. Iran is by far the largest funding source to the tune of $100 million a year, according to the US government. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Memenator. The crypto market is experiencing a slowdown due to geopolitical risks from Middle East conflict between Israel and Hamas. Stocks are slumping amid Israel's declaration of war on Hamas, causing financial markets to face new downside pressure. However, the pre-sale force of the new crypto token Memenator continues as it cleanses the ecosystem for a new era driven by artificial intelligence, analysts believe. The Memenator returns to a world destroyed by weak meme coins. The Memenator is a new project with a native token MMTR inspired by the 1990s Terminator 2 Judgment Day movie. The project aims to bring utility to the meme coin community disenchanted by current projects. Unlike other meme-inspired crypto tokens, Memenator will not rely on the hype to drive traction. Instead, it offers token utility not offered by existing memes, including staking NFTs and an AI-powered meme warfare game. The Memenator pre-sale has been successful with Stage 3 almost sold out as of October 11th. The price of the native token MMTR has jumped by over 5% from $0.01 in the current stage to $0.011 in Stage 4. Next on the list, we have Uniland. Uniland Finance, a project aiming to redefine decentralized finance, is gaining momentum in the cryptocurrency world. The project, which has prominent listings on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase custody, aims to integrate real-world assets like gold, silver, and stocks into the DeFi ecosystem. This will allow users to access a wide range of assets, diversify their portfolios, and explore new investment avenues. Unilend Finance is a permissionless lending and borrowing platform that aims to provide users with decision-making capabilities through governance. The platform aims to foster an active community that actively participates in shaping the project's future. Unilend Finance believes in the power of the community, and its success is linked to the collective efforts of its users. Unilend was trading at $0.22, down near 5% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 million. Next on the list, we have Lido. The Lido DAO proposal for a $5 million ARB grant worth over $4 million has faced opposition from the Arbitrum community due to its size and concerns about centralization. The Arbitrum Foundation introduced its short-term incentive program to distribute $50 million ARB worth $41.2 million and encourage projects to launch on the speedy layer 2 built on the Ethereum network. Arbitrum, an Ethereum rollup with assets worth around $5.77 billion, experienced increased growth in Q1 following a March airdrop. The Layer 2 blockchain saw strong activity due to higher transaction counts and new participants. Lido Finance, a liquid staking platform, introduced a $4 million grant proposal with voting set to conclude on October 13th. With only 69.6 million ARB stakeholders voting, the decision is nearly evenly split, with 48.3% in favor and 47.4% against. The decision is expected to be a significant step in the Ethereum ecosystem. Lido was trading down at $1.51, down 1.84% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. A mysterious Shiba Inu investor has surfaced in the middle of the recent decline in the value of SHIB cryptocurrency. Data from Etherscan indicates that the address 0xD6 unexpectedly purchased more than 2 billion SHIB today, the Shiba Inu token's lowest price since mid-June. At one point today, this mysterious investor quickly advanced to rank among the top SHIB buyers on the cryptocurrency market. A mysterious investor has made his first transaction with the Shiba Inu token, raising questions about his identity and motivations. The address exclusively dedicated to trading the token has only made 2 smaller scale acquisitions, totaling 2.13 billion SHIB. This elusive investor's identity remains unknown. Last on the list, we have ApeCoin. Polygon Labs co-founder Sandeep Nailwal proposed the ApeCoin DAO governance community build, deploy, and maintain its own zero-knowledge powered Ethereum Layer 2 using Polygon's Chain Development Kit. The ApeCoin DAO is proposing the launch of a dedicated ApeCoin Layer 2 network dubbed ApeChain at a cost of around $200,000 annually. The proposal also includes a $3.35 million development fund from the DAO treasury to support ApeCoin-related projects with Polygon Labs support. The ApeCoin community has been aware of the need for a chain to scale ApeCoin, which is linked to a DAO overseeing the NFT and metaverse ecosystem. Polygon's CDK is an open-source software development kit that enables developers to create their own ZK-powered Layer 2s with reduced fees and finality times while inheriting Ethereum's security. ApeChain would provide the ApeCoin DAO community with the right scaling solution for games and consumer applications while offering potential sequencer fees and staking rewards for validators on the network. ApeCoin was trading at $1.04, up 1.90% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $385 million.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.